home was a rental, and it was the landlord who told Katie's insurance company about the leaking roof.